Welcome to Listen Up, the podcast where we dive into the world of English listening practice. I'm your host, Karen, and we explore new topics every day to help you sharpen your English skills. Whether you're looking to polish your fluency or intermediate and want to learn new vocabulary, this podcast is your gateway to understanding and speaking English with confidence. We cover a wide range of subjects to keep you engaged and entertained while learning. My episodes are designed to provide practical knowledge that you can apply in real-life conversations. And I also offer personalized lessons tailored to your unique learning style and goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your English listening skills. Visit onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for personalized lessons. Let's jump right in. Today's episode is called The Future of Food. The culinary world has always been a dynamic realm, constantly evolving with new trends and innovations. As we look towards the future of food, the pace of change is accelerating, driven by advancements in technology, a deeper understanding of sustainability, and a desire for unique and memorable dining experiences. Innovative chefs are at the forefront of this revolution, blending science, art, and tradition to create dishes that are not only tantalize the taste buds, but also tell compelling stories. Here's a glimpse into some of the groundbreaking techniques they are using and what the future might hold for food. Molecular gastronomy, a subdiscipline of food science, has become a playground for chefs seeking to push the boundaries of traditional cooking. Techniques such as spherification, jellification, and the use of liquid nitrogen allow chefs to manipulate textures and flavors in unprecedented ways. Spherification. This technique involves shaping a liquid into spheres that burst in the mouth, releasing a burst of flavor. It's often used to create caviar-like beads from fruit juices or other flavorful liquids. Jellification. Using gelling agents such as agar-agar and gelatin, chefs can create new textures from delicate foams to firming gels. Liquid nitrogen. This incredible substance is used to instantly freeze ingredients, creating unique textures and dramatic presentations, such as frozen powders and delicate meringues. As awareness of environmental issues grow, many chefs are adopting sustainable practices. This includes sourcing ingredients locally and seasonally, reducing food waste, and employing nose-to-tail and root-to-leaf cooking. Local and seasonal sourcing. By using ingredients that are in season and sourced locally, chefs are not only supporting local farmers, but also reduce the carbon footprint associated with transporting food over long distances. Zero waste cooking. Innovative chefs are finding creative ways to use every part of an ingredient. For example, vegetable scraps can be transformed into flavorful broths, and citral peels can be candied or used to infuse spirits. Growing concerns about the environmental impact of meat production and a rise in dietary preferences such as veganism, the future of food is increasingly plant-based. Chefs are experimenting with plant-based proteins and alternative meat products to create dishes that cater to this demand. Plant-based proteins like tofu, tempeh, and seitan have long been staples in vegetarian and vegan diets. Now, chefs are also using legumes, nuts, and grains to create protein-rich dishes. Alternative meats. Companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods have developed meat substitutes that mimic the taste and texture of real meat. These products are becoming more common in both high-end restaurants and everyday eateries. Technology is reshaping how we experience food. From 3D printing to augmented reality, these innovations are creating new possibilities for chefs and diners alike. 3D food printing. This technology allows chefs to create intricate designs and structures that would be impossible to achieve by hand. It's being used to produce everything from decorative garnishes to entire meals. Augmented reality. AR can enhance the dining experience by overlaying digital content onto the physical world. For example, diners might see virtual representations of farms where their ingredients were sourced, or watch animations that tell the story behind the dish. Looking ahead, the future of food promises to be even more exciting and diverse. Here are some trends and innovations that could shape the culinary landscape. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat. This technology involves growing meat cells in a lab to produce real meat without the need for animal slaughter. This could revolutionize the meat industry by providing a sustainable and ethical alternative to traditional meat production. Personalized nutrition. Advances in genomics and data analytics could enable personalized nutritional plans tailored to an individual's genetic makeup and health needs. Chefs could create customized menus that optimize health and well-being. Edible insects. As a sustainable source of protein, edible insects are gaining acceptance in Western cuisines. High in protein and requiring fewer resources to farm than traditional livestock, insects could become a staple in the future diet. The future of food is a blend of innovation, sustainability, and technology. Chefs are the vanguard of this transformation, using new techniques and embracing new ingredients to create dishes that are not only delicious, but also environmentally responsible and health conscious. As these trends continue to evolve, the culinary world will undoubtedly continue to surprise and delight us with its creativity and ingenuity. And that wraps up today's enriching journey with Listen Up English Listening Practice. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the nuances of English, and I hope you found our time together both educational and enjoyable. Remember, every episode is a step forward in your English mastery, so keep practicing and stay curious. Share with your friends and leave a comment. Be part of our growing family by connecting with fellow learners on our social platforms. Join me on my website to interact with other learners and let me know what other topics you would like to hear about. And if you're looking for a more personalized touch, head over to onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for bespoke lessons with me, Karen. Thank you for choosing to learn with me. Until our next session, keep your ears open and your mind active. Farewell and happy English learning.